Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. The Quad Lock out front mount range is designed for optimal viewing and aerodynamics. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. There are two versions of the Quad Lock out front mount: the standard out front mount and the new out front mount Pro. Our standard out front mount is suitable for most types of bikes and can be mounted in reverse over the stem. Our new out front mount Pro is designed specifically for road cyclists. It features an extended aluminum arm and lower profile aerodynamic design. Both out front mounts have an optional action camera adapter. The Quad Lock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over the roughest terrain. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle. Buy now from quadlockcase.com.
The Songmaker Kit from Rollei gives you all you need to make a track anywhere. It combines 3 cutting-edge controllers: the Seaboard Block, the LightPad Block M, and the Loop Block. These touch-responsive surfaces connect together and integrate seamlessly with software tools so that you can create your sound and compose your track. The Songmaker Kit software package is an incredible value. It includes 2 desktop sound engines, the Noise app for creating on the go, and 2 digital audio workstations. No matter what your workflow is, you can take your track from start to finish with the Songmaker Kit. Start by pairing your blocks with Rollei's app Noise. Record and control loops with the Loop Block. Play melodies and chords on the Seaboard Block by pressing, gliding, and sliding your fingers on the touch-responsive surface. Play drums on the LightPad Block, which features the same touch sensitivity as the Seaboard Block, and reconfigure its illuminated surface for playing in scales, launching clips, and mixing. You can choose from hundreds of sounds, either in the Noise app or in Equator, Rollei's sound engine that's custom-made for MPE. Take your track to the next level by bringing loops into your preferred digital audio workstation. Customize your blocks to control your favorite plugins, add effects, and much more in Block's dashboard. However you choose to make your track, the Songmaker Kit has everything you need. It's also wireless, lightweight, and comes with a protective snap case so you can easily create on the go.
Pet ownership can be one of the most fulfilling experiences in life. Our pets enrich our lives in incredible ways, and we strive to give them the best life possible. But no matter how hard we try to avoid it, our pets love to get dirty, and it can be a struggle to keep them clean. My name is Daniel Lentz, and I want to tell you about an innovative pet bathing product I've been working on called the AquaPaw. It combines your bathing brush and your water sprayer into an intuitive bathing glove. It's one size fits all, straps onto either hand, and is activated by simply pressing a button in the center of the palm. The AquaPaw allows you to soak your pet by essentially petting them. And at the same time, you have both your hands to keep your pet under control and thoroughly rinse their coat. And because the glove is soft and flexible, it can be worn during the entire bathing process, even while applying shampoo. It's also a scrubber, so it helps you lather your pet's coat, even delicate areas like their neck and underside. You can bathe most pets in less than 5 minutes. The AquaPaw quickly connects to an outdoor spigot or to any household shower using our simple to install splitter. Our goal is to make the bathing experience as enjoyable as possible for both you and your pet. And by using the AquaPaw, you can drastically reduce the time and chaos involved in bath time and spend more time with your freshly cleaned pet. I've professionally developed products for brands like KitchenAid, Cuisinart, and Specialized Bicycles, and the AquaPaw is a personal project I've been working on for years. I've developed countless designs and prototypes, and we've tested with dozens of pet owners and professional groomers to refine the design. And now, I'm proud to finally offer this product to you. We're already working with a very capable manufacturer. We've organized the logistics of delivery and have taken extraordinary measures to ensure that production goes smoothly. The only thing that's missing is you. I'm asking for your support to bring this revolutionary pet bedding product to life. With your contributions, we'll pay for tooling and satisfy our minimum order requirements. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll pledge your support, and please share this video with all of your friends on social media. Thank you.
When I had the initial idea several years ago, it was about developing the best product for your daily commute.
It started with a passion for electric mobility, and now we've founded a company and we've developed an entire vehicle, Urmo.
Urmo is a small, light and foldable electric vehicle. It is self-balancing, very easy to steer, and it's the perfect solution for your last mile in your city.
Self-balancing vehicles totally make sense. They are very easy to learn. You just stand on, and most people just need 2 to 5 minutes to learn how to ride it.
And if you suddenly find yourself in front of some stairs, simply pick it up and carry it. And since it's so compact, you can take it on a train.
Nowadays, with the trend of urbanization, traffic in cities gets worse and worse. First part of your journey to the city with your car is rather quickly, but when you enter the city, it comes almost to a complete stop. This is where Urmo comes into play. You can take Urmo in the car with you. You will arrive at your destination much faster and of course happier. When you enter your company in the morning, you can use Urmo to skip all these long hallways and just drive from the entrance to your desk in a few moments. With one lift and within 2 seconds, the Urmo transforms from fully functional electric vehicle to just briefcase size.
So how did we achieve the low weight? Well, one part of the story is to use advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum. Another part is we developed all our electronics in the last 2.5 years from scratch. So we developed our own main boards, our own battery modules and so on.
At the end of the day, Urmo is not only a clever vehicle, it's also fun to drive. Drive with Urmo wherever you want, on the street, on curb or cobblestone. Urmo goes up to 15 km per hour and is created for your hands to be free. If you feel uncomfortable with the balance, there's always the possibility to add an additional handlebar and still have your hands free for the coffee to go. When you come home after a long day, just plug Urmo into any power outlet, and after 2 hours it will be ready for your commute the next day.
At Urmo we are 3 founders.
Felix and Jacob are the engineers and in charge of the mechanical and electronical development of Urmo.
Sebastian takes care of the business and the financing part. Today there's a whole team behind Urmo and working on our vision.
We have partners and suppliers from all over the industries.
And we really have the chance to change mobility.
Together with the rest of the team, we're really sure to bring Urmo to you as fast as possible.
Our vision is to bring the Urmo in every city of the world.
And to ramp up our production, we need your support.
Back us now and be part of our vision to change urban mobility.